Where are you from?
I am from Dhaka, exactly from Mirpur.
Mirpur. Well, do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown, but it is very beautiful and friendly.
Well, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. It's a peaceful color.
Is there any color you dislike
Yes, I dislike red color.
or why?
It doesn't match with me.
Has your favorite color changed since your childhood?
No,
No.
it doesn't change my favorite color.
Well, now I'd like to ask you some question about street food. Do you like eating street food?
Actually, I don't like street food, but sometimes I take street food with my friends, especially fuchka.
How often actually do you eat street food?
When I go out with my family, I have to take street food.
When you go with your family?
Weekends or Friday, I go outside with my family.
Is it harmful to health?
I know it is harmful for health. I take it because it is very delicious.
Delicious.
Indeed.
What traditional food is popular in your country?
I think fish and rice, plain rice, is traditional in our country.
And what was your favorite food when you were a child?
My favorite food was khichuri.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music and watch a movie and go out for walking.
What time do you usually get up every day?
Usually, I get up at 6 o'clock every day.
You know, water is the most important element for our health. So, how many glasses of water do you drink every day?
Yes, water is very important for our health. I take about 8 glass of water every day.
Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
No, I never been to Cox's Bazar.
Okay, what's your favorite place?
My favorite place is my bedroom.
Bedroom. Wow, sounds perfect. Well, where would you like to travel in the future?
I want to go to Cox's Bazar, St. Martin.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer both coffee or tea.
Okay, do you often visit tea stalls?
Yes, nearby tea stall to take tea.
Okay, where is your favorite tea stall located?
My favorite tea stall is Humaner Char Dukan.
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your nice performance. Thank you.